Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cool animated paper background for your editing in the CapCut mobile. So here, you can just start by adding a solid background, any color that you want, into CapCut. Then after that, click on Effects, go to the Video Effects, and now swipe until you find the texture category, this one. Then just select this doodle diary effect. So you can see now my solid background is turned into a paper crumpled like this. So you can adjust it to remove the stickers. Just swipe it to the left until it turns to 0. And here you can also adjust the speed, filter, and also the color. If you're done, just click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length to match with the video, and after that you can just go to overlay and then add your edited videos. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.